everyone. Speaking to this episode of Page 3 here at Newsline with me, Sakshi Singh Litoria, is Team Rahu Ketu, Suraj ji, and also our lovely duo, our favorite duo, the comedy duo, Pulkit, and also Varun, in and as Rahu Ketu, is sitting alongside me. Thank you so much for speaking to
Thank you so much,
Newsline.
Sakshi.
साल के शुरुआत में you are going to gift us something which is rarely seen in Indian cinema, mythology mixed with astrology, mixed with comedy. A rare combination, though a risking combination too. So producer साहब आपसे शुरू करना चाहती हूँ. What got you so confident about the concept of the film?
The subject, the writing, the director, and obviously after that, our actors. You know, so basically, it came as a package because Vipul Bhai just didn't come with a script. He came with a script and he came with the faces. कि सूरज भाई ये मेरी स्क्रिप्ट है मुझे यही चाहिए तो मैं कहा सर स्क्रिप्ट तो मैं कर रहा हूँ बट ये फेसेस लाना आपकी जिम्मेदारी है बिकॉज फाइनली दे हैव टू अप्रूव द स्क्रिप्ट एंड द डायरेक्टर टू वट एवर इट इज बट अगेन एज आई ऑलवेज से लाइक गॉड वाज काइंड इज कैन विल ऑलवेज बी काइंड that everybody just gelled with it, everybody loved it, and today we are here before you.
And this is the iconic duo, our favorite. We have been watching you for years. You two have been associated for 14 years now, so there is a different kind of camaraderie and chemistry between you two. But the expectations from Fukre is also going to be reflected here because the anticipation is so high right at the beginning of 2026 and एक precedence आपने set किया है Fukre franchise के साथ. वो image breaking वाला risk भी है यहाँ पे. So how did you take it head on?
You know, everything that you called risk was very exciting for all of us as the team. Because if there is no risk, if there is nothing at stake, then there is no fun in working. So you want to get a good sleep by working really hard on set. And characters like such, coming from, now we can very proudly call it a legacy. So coming from the legacy of Fukre, there is a certain benchmark that people have those kind of expectations from the two of us, especially coming together. But I think the writing sorted everything for us. The writing of Rahu Ketu is what gave us the comfort that we can break through this. And our main aspect was कि इसमें फुकरे जितनी कॉमेडी है या नहीं है. And once we were sorted with that, ki, oh wow, this is a funny film. There are funny one-liners, very good punchlines, and insanely atarangi, colorful characters. I think all of us were on board with it.
So Varun, कितना हनी चूचा हमें राहु केतु में दिखने वाला है?
I think soul same है in the sense like पुलकित और मेरी chemistry का, but बहुत अलग है. एंड आई थिंक जितना हनी चूचा ने आपको एंटरटेन करा है जितना आपको हंसाया है राहु केतु भी आपको उतना ही हंसाएंगे बिकॉज जो राइटिंग है वो एक सेम इंसान ने फुकरे फ्रेंचाइज लिखी है राहु केतु भी उन्होंने लिखी है ऑब्वियसली कहानी पूरी अलग है दुनिया पूरी अलग है कैरेक्टर्स पूरे अलग हैं लेकिन जो फन और ह्यूमर और जो मस्ती है वो वी चूज टू बिलीव के एक नॉच हायर ही हम लोग गए हैं उसमें
Rahu Ketu, when we hear this name, I want to just ask you because there is a thin line between spirituality and superstition. So that way is when somebody would hear Rahu and Ketu as just name and has not watched trailer, they might not get the idea of comedy being the main concept behind it. So how that challenge was, you know, sorted out? How did you?
That is your answer is in your question. क्योंकि जब बंदा सुनता है राहु केतु और ये फिल्म आ रही है तो वो ट्रेलर देखने आते ही आता है और जब वो ट्रेलर देखता है तो उसको सब अपने आप सारा जवाब मिल जाता है एंड एज वी हैव बीन एक्सप्लेनिंग लाइक यू नो कि बहुत जगह हर बार ये सवाल किया था कि राहु केतु से तो हमें डर लगता है राहु केतु इज ऑलवेज बिन नेगेटिव काइंड ऑफ थिंग बट ये बनाया किसने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है वी हैव बीन लिविंग इन मिथ लाइक यू नो ये थोड़ी सी दुर्भाग्य की बात है हमारे कंट्री की कि दैट वी डोंट गेट इन द रियल थिंग्स की क्या करने से क्या होता है और क्यों होता है सो राहु केतु हैज बीन इन आवर लाइफ इन एवरीबॉडीज लाइफ फ्रॉम द टाइम वी टेक बर्थ एंड वी कम हियर इन दिस वर्ल्ड यू नो so and they are like exactly what Pulkit and Varun both have been they are like friends to us how you treat a friend or a relationship it's both ways like you know आप जब अच्छा देते हो you get the good return जब आप बुरा करते हो तो you get the bad thing so it's all about that so it was never that kind of thing कि whatever it is like we knew and everybody whom we have spoken like you know and somebody is asking क्या अगली फिल्म क्या कर रहा है राहु केतु क्या बात कर रहा है you know that reaction is so instant and this thing like you know so and the name catches like this and after that when they come and watch the trailer that catches more
And you've got some iconic faces. Piyush Mishra ji is there,
जी,
Chunky
जी.
Pandey is
Yeah,
there, Amit
fantastic
Sial is
cast,
there.
It was an acting workshop for both of us. We'll be very excited to go to set because Piyush sir ने बहुत काम किया हुआ है. The kind of experience he comes with, same is with Chunky sir. And then there is a very different way that in which Amit Sial approaches his craft. वो सब सीखने को मिला और उसके हमें पैसे भी मिले. What better than that?
So आप दोनों की कॉमेडी की जो जुगलबंदी है, that is very different to these three faces that I have just spoken of. When they touch comedy, it's also to another level. So what were, you know, like you said, it was a workshop for you or for you all there on the sets. So I just want to ask you, what was, you know, the training aspects that you shared amongst each other, because you two are certainly very funny.
It's very different. I mean, like how Piyush sir approaches towards his work, towards his craft. You know, as I think Pulkit would probably explain Piyush sir's ideology better because he's a pro at it. But so after this, you complete me. But I think, and Amit sir, we've always seen him in very like hard-hitting drama,
Yes, yes.
you know, genres and stuff like that. But he's crazily fantastic in comedy, and just the timing that he comes with, the expression that he comes with, and you know, while that poker face comedy, I
Yes,
think the way he
exactly.
does it, it's like fantastic. And then obviously you have the, you know, the master of the genre, which is Chunky Pandey sir. I mean, we've all grown up watching him.
Yeah.
You know, being those 90s kids, we've like literally like, you know, grown up watching him, and he comes with a very different touch of comedy. And then there's Piyush sir. And obviously there's two of us doing our own jig bag, you know, thing. So it's a very beautiful blend. It's a very beautiful cocktail of a lot of different styles of kind of comedy coming in together, you know, getting accumulated in this vast big jar of 2.5 to 15 minutes. And is the cocktail is going to give you a really high of laughter probably once you see it. And just complete me on that Piyush sir wala thing, na Pulkit.
Yeah. Piyush sir, yeah, Piyush sir is like that kid who's very excited in Disney World.
Okay.
He still is that. When he comes in front of the camera, it's like his first day or his last day in front of the camera. He is in so much love with the camera that and the craft that he makes it look so effortless. But there's a lot of effort and a lot of homework that goes behind it. And that is the kind of hard work, dedication and discipline that I think both of us have picked it from him, learned it from him. And definitely we're going to use it to our advantage. As I said, again, we also got paid to learn so many things, so that's great.
It's like सीखो भी और कमाओ भी.
सीखो भी और कमाओ भी, yes.
आपने कहा कि विपुल जी की writing में mostly, and we have seen it also, it's not just the comedy, it comes with soul, right?
Yeah.
So with Rahu Ketu, I want to understand that is there going to be a myth buster in the film which is going to take everybody by
I
awe?
think it's not a preachy film. It's not something that यार इसमें ये message है और आप ये देख के आपको आपका जीवन में आप ये even in a fukre for that matter, that the soul is, it's just beautifully just rides along, right?
Yeah.
In Rahu Ketu, the thought of it is riding along.
Okay.
It is a 2 or 15 minutes out and out complete family entertainer where you're gonna come, sit, have the time of your life. You're gonna laugh your wits out. The kids are gonna love it because there's too much for the kids to watch it, and the fantasy element, the humor and everything. It's very kids friendly. You're gonna step out, and in those 2 or 15 minutes, there's a thought which is going side by side in the film. You'll come back, you kind of probably think about it. That thought gets registered with you. You would want to just like settle it in, and keep it with you, and that's it. It's not something that you come, you learn and everything. It's just you come and just get yourself entertained. Start your year with a heavy dose of laughter for 2 hours and 10 minutes, and just feel light and feel happy and good while watching this, and then you know just go back home smiling. That is Rahu Ketu, and that is our attempt, that is our aim. And we've seen the film. We choose to believe that this is the result that's going to resonate with the audience, and we really hope that audience comes in, and when they watch it, they exactly feel the same as to how we felt it or how we are expressing it right now.
But what's your take on astrology though overall before film, before getting to know?
I believe in it. I've been believing in it, and obviously there's a lot of learning that needs to happen, and you really need to have the right person who's guiding you for it, and because a lot of things operates out of fear in that. So I think मार्गदर्शक आपका एकदम correct होना चाहिए, तो फिर चीज़ें आसान हो जाती हैं, and जो believe करता है उसको positively, I think you should believe it and be with it. That's my personal thing.
What about you two?
I think I don't know whether believing in astrology or not, but definitely the fact that as long as you have a clean heart and a good intention, everything falls into place. Yes, there are gonna be ups and downs in life, but that is what life is all about. You just got to wake up in the morning and tell yourself that today I got to be better than yesterday, and that's the only intention I wake up with.
Beautiful. Surajji, what's your take on astrology?
No, I do believe in it.
Okay.
Like, when I'm little on dates and days, like, and it really helps me. So I'll be very honest about it. Like, so, and there's nothing wrong in it. Like,
Absolutely.
But to add to that, what Pulkit mentioned right now is that the most important thing is your karma. What good you do and the way you do. Because the problem in our society is that because after the social media has come so active, हम करते कम हैं, शोर ज़्यादा मचाते हैं. तो राहु केतु ये भी कहते हैं कि जो करो वो करके भूल जाओ, दुनिया को मत बताओ.
नेकी कर दरिया में
नेकी कर दरिया में डाल, दाएं से कर तो बाएं को पता ना लगे. So it's like that.
एक बॉक्स ऑफिस का ट्रेंड है, एंड आई रियली वांट टू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन टू सूरज जी बिकॉज आई एम क्यूरियस अबाउट इट. As somebody who invests in film, nowadays we see everything working trend based. So what is that box office trend that really gets on your nerve?
No, but that's what I'm saying. That's one pressure. It's up to you as a producer. You want to take or you don't want to take. But what happens when you see the final product, the film which you have produced, you get that feeling कि pressure अब relief हो रहा है. तो मेरे लिए pressure relief हो रहा है. So I'm not in pressure कि क्या होगा नहीं होगा. हाँ, I will not say completely कि हाँ मैं बहुत वो हूँ because the results are still not out. But you're confident of the product what you have made. So that is what something gives you that confidence and gives you that courage to live with it and go all out. Because now what we have done, we have made a good film. We have done our job. Now we have come to Janta Ki Adalat, like, before you guys, before our audience. Now it's you guys who have to come in the theaters, enjoy the mad ride, enjoy the laughter, and let's make the film, whatever box office will give to the maximum to us.
And I started getting the cue, so I have to wrap it up quickly. So last question is going to be for both of you.
Okay.
Like you've said, this is going to be a cocktail kind of a thing for us. मैं अगर and nowadays we are looking at this universe वाला kind of trend also in the film industry. A lot of films being made and then getting clubbed in a universe. अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि आपको एक customized list बनानी है, एक आपको customized list बनानी है, अगर राहु केतु के साथ में you will have to make that list. What films overall of anybody's you would want to be in that
In the
universe?
Yeah. I think Rahu Ketu could have a universe of their own. As we were just discussing 5 minutes ago with somebody else. I think Rahu Ketu and Fukre could be a very good crossover universe, right?
Yes.
You could also get Pyar Ka Panchnama guys in that. That'll be insane. I think that'll be a very interesting universe. With Pyar Ka Panchnama, Fukre and Rahu Ketu coming together and crossing paths. That'll be interesting.
That's your list. What about you, Varun?
I think exactly what Pulkit also said. I think Rahu Ketu crossover with Fukre would be really, really interesting because I don't know what these guys are going to do. It's going to be really, really funny. And so yeah, I think my pick would be that also.
That's amazing. All the very best for Rahu
Thank you
Ketu.
so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank
much
you so much. Thank
for
you so
speaking to News 9.